So it is about 12 o'clock, and me and Kai just woke up from our morning nap, which she was up at about 8 o'clock this morning. And so I put her down for a nap at about 11, and we just woke up. So we only took an hour nap, but that's okay. She still has another nap or two left to take, so we'll be good. I didn't go to Rochester today because when Kai woke up, I just didn't feel like going. There's road construction over there, and I just don't feel like dealing with it. And the only reason I was going to go there was to get baby food and diapers, which she doesn't need diapers, and she doesn't need food yet, but I was just going to get it to stock up for when she does start eating solids more. But that's okay. Well, maybe we'll go get it next week, otherwise we can just buy it. They just had a really good deal. It was like $5 for like a bunch of jars, and then like 4 boxes of the baby cereal or rice or whatever. But we'll see. I just texted them and said I wasn't coming, so we'll see if they'll hold it or what. But other than that, we have to run to the pharmacy and the post office, which we're gonna just walk there. And it is really windy outside. You can't really see. Well, she's moving a little bit, but I can hear it like from inside, and my windows are all closed. So it's really windy, and I'm just gonna throw on some pants. I still have my pajamas on, but I'm just gonna throw on some pants and probably a sweatshirt because it's windy, and do my hair and probably, maybe not my makeup, I'm not sure. We're just gonna have like a lazy day. We're just gonna run to the pharmacy or post office, and Kai's just gonna wear her pajamas, which is really kind of an outfit. And I'm just gonna throw a sweatshirt on her and do her hair and all that. But we are going to change her diaper and get her dressed. So Kai is dressed, or as dressed as she's going to get today. She is just wearing her pajama things with this little hoodie, and this is actually a newborn hoodie, and it's kind of small on her. I mean, it doesn't look too small, but it was not fun to get her in. But I like that she can wear, well, this is like the only newborn outfit I'd put her in, well, sweatshirt. But like, I like how she can wear anywhere from like newborn to 12 months. Like, she is a very universal baby. But it just has this butterfly on there, and it says Princess. And these flowers, and then the zipper has a little butterfly. And then there's little butterflies on the hand too, which I could always roll these out. Well, yeah. And then her pacifier is falling out, which is just her gumdrop pacifier. And she has a little bow in her hair. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go get dressed a little bit. Just throw some pants on and do my hair. Probably that, and brush my teeth, that good stuff. But yeah, that's about it. You got some spit up in your mouth, baby. You got some spit up. We gotta clean you up. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get ready to go. So I am dressed. I'm just wearing this lime green sweatshirt, and then this green under top that actually matches like perfectly, and then just some gray capri pants type things. And Kylan is already in her car seat. And sorry about the angle on some of my videos. Like, I didn't know if I flipped it like this, you guys can't see her straight up like that. But I'll try to work on that more. Like, I gotta remember, because when I see her like this, like, it looks normal to me. But I gotta remember that in the video, she looks sideways. Whereas, like this, she looks straight up, normal. But yeah, she's got her little toy, and I changed her pacifier. Just because she likes these ones more. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, she's not digging the gumdrop ones. she's been really fussy about what pacifier she has lately. Like, she will spit them out if she does not like them. But her bow looks so cute. But yeah, we're gonna go get the stroller and start walking. So we are going on a walk, and Kai is in her stroller. And it's really windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. Yeah, we're just gonna go for our walk and go to the post office, the pharmacy, and maybe the store. So yeah, see you guys when we get home. We're just leaving the clinic, and I got the prescription, and so we're gonna go to the post office now. And she's just in there. Yeah, she doesn't want her toy. But yeah, so it is really windy outside today. So we just got back from, where'd we go? The pharmacy, the store, and the post office. And I didn't really get anything for the baby, except I got her some diaper rash cream. It was like $1. And so I got that for her because she is getting a little rash. So we picked up some of that. I wanted to show you, I got the wall all done up. It's like right above her bouncer. My blanket's on it right now because I'm going downstairs. But I wanted to put her right above her crib, but I have a feeling I'll rearrange my room. And mostly all of her baby stuff like stays on this wall, no matter how I rearrange my room. So it is just up there. I think it looks pretty good. And the only thing is I had to glue like the wings down so you can see the glue. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Yeah. It doesn't look terrible. But it does look kind of weird. But oh well. So Kai is downstairs and it is about 1:30. And I'm still dressed. Halfway, kind of. But yeah, we are just going to probably just watch TV. I'm going to make something to eat because I haven't eaten yet. And she's probably getting hungry again pretty soon. So I'm going to feed her and make something to eat and just probably lay around and not do too much of anything. And I go back to work tomorrow. I work 3 to 11 tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Bye guys. It's about 5:30 and Kai just woke up from her nap, which she's been awake since we got home, pretty much. Well, till she took her nap. She took her nap at about 2:30 or 3, and she just woke up and it's 5:30. And I'm going to put her pajamas on her and change her diaper and probably give her her bottle. She is in her pajamas, and she's just wearing this sleeper, and it says Little Lady. And then on this side it just has the ladybug and the flowers. And then it has green stripes. There's a little pocket right there. And then the ruffle is pink and white polka dotted, just like the wings. And I put these little, Mommy's Little Sweetheart, little scratch mittens because she scratched her face earlier. And then just this little pink hat, which goes with an outfit that she hasn't worn yet, but it matches. So that is what she's wearing tonight, which it isn't tonight yet. It's only 5:30, but that's okay. So we're probably just gonna go downstairs and play. I have to clean up the house a little bit. And that's pretty much about it. Not really a very interesting night. But yeah. There she is. It is about 9:30, almost. Can't even see. Oh, I figured out how to zoom. Weird. My camera never zoomed when it was recording. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Fancy, fancy. Well, it's 9:30 almost, and she is sleeping. I fed her at about 8 or 8:30, somewhere around there. So she should sleep for a while. And I changed her diaper and everything. But yeah, we're just in the living room hanging out. I'm gonna go sit and edit this video and edit her 2-week video. And she is 2 weeks old today. Can you believe it? She's getting so big. My dog's in the background. She's coming out. You see her? Hey, Aurora. She's like, hi, hi. Yeah, so Kai's just sleeping, and tomorrow I have to work again, so she'll be going to daycare. We're so interested. Who am I talking to? Oh, big nose. But yeah, there she is. She was pretty good today. She was a little weird before she fell asleep. Like, she kept looking around. She's getting really, like, she can see really good now. Like, she's, like, looking at her surroundings a lot more. So yeah. Not too much planned tomorrow. We have to do some yard work, but that's about it. So she's sleeping, and Rora's checking her out, like, and I'm doing our laundry. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.